Hi, this video is just a simple explanation to add two numbers in Python. I'm using Jupyter Notebook IDE for that. If you have already installed Jupyter Notebook or Anaconda, then you can choose that from the program list. So I'm choosing Jupyter Notebook and opening it, which will be opened in a browser within seconds. From there, I'm clicking the new button, then Python 3 kernel. It will open a new notebook in the browser itself. First of all, we will discuss the workflow of adding two numbers. Let's check this workflow. Once the program has started, it will ask for the first number and wait for the user input. Then it will ask for the second number and wait for the second input. Then it adds these two numbers and save into the variable called sum and prints that sum value. Then the program ends. We'll run this workflow to make it more clear. Okay. This block asks for the first number, which I am giving 300. Then the next block will run, which will ask for the second number, which is 350. Then it will calculate the sum and print the output, which is 650. Now we are going to implement this workflow in Python. For that, I'm moving to the Jupyter Notebook, which we have opened in the browser, and the first block asks the user to input a number. So for that, we can use the Python input function, that is input, then opening and closing brackets. Inside that we are giving codes, and in this codes, the message needs to be printed. That is, enter the first number. So we can just run the code. See, I got the provision to enter a number, but we need to save it to somewhere so that we can use it in later sum calculation. Okay, for that I'm using a variable that is number underscore 1. So currently number underscore 1 holds the user input value. Then I'm using another variable that is number underscore 2, which actually holds the second value. Number underscore 1 holds the value of first number, and number underscore 2 holds the value of second number. So I'm storing this sum value in a new variable that is sum underscore numbers. Okay, currently sum underscore numbers holds the sum of these two numbers. And I'm printing that value by using the print statement in the Python, that is print, then using the variable name. Okay, I'm going to run this code. So it will ask for the first number, that is 350. Then it will ask for the second number, that is 300. As for the workflow, it needs to print the sum, but we'll see what it prints. It prints the concatenation of first and second numbers, that is first number followed by the second number. Why that happened? Let's see. In order to calculate the sum value, number 1 and number 2 need to be in the numerical type, right? Let's check whether number underscore 1 and number underscore 2 is of numerical type. For that, we can use the type function. We need to check the type of number underscore 1. Then I'm printing this value using the print function. Okay. Then let's see what is the type of number underscore 1. So the number underscore 1 is having the type of str value, which is not a numerical type. Now we only have the option to convert this str value to numerical type. So how do we do that? We can convert the str value to numerical type by using the int function. Then we need to convert the number underscore 1 to int and store it into a new variable that is int number 1. Okay. Now we'll print the type of int underscore number 1. Okay. We'll see what is the type of that. So 300, second number is 250. Then the type of int underscore number is a numerical type, which is an integer. Okay. So we need to convert the number 2 to integer also. We can do it from here itself. So I am converting the user input value, which is a string type, to integer type, then storing it into number 2 variable. Okay, now I'm commenting this so that it no longer run in the code. So we have int underscore number 1 variable, which is holding the integer value of the number 1. Then number 2 is an integer type. So printing the sum, that is 350 is the first number, second number is 200, now the sum is 550, which is correct. So I'm making the program much smaller, like converting this integer from here itself, so that I'm removing the int underscore number variable. Then I don't want int underscore number variable. Instead, I need to have number underscore 1 variable. Okay, just having the first value in integer type, this is having the second value in the integer type, and the sum is stored in the sum underscore number. We can directly put this number 1 plus number 2 in the print statement itself, so that we can remove this sum value also. Then run in this code again. First number is 200, second number is 500, the output is 700.